everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw, and you are watching another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. Today we are going to make Cannabis Blueberry Muffin Top Cookies. They are cookies that taste just like blueberry muffin tops, because we all know that the top of a blueberry muffin is the best part of the muffin. So these cookies are pillowy soft on the inside, but nice and crispy on the outside, just like the top of a muffin. To start making these cookies, we are going to add our flour, baking powder, and salt in a medium-sized mixing bowl and whisk it together and set aside. In a larger mixing bowl, beat together your butter, cannabis butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until it's nice and creamy. Then add the egg and vanilla and mix until it's combined. Finally, alternate adding the dry ingredients with the milk and beat together until it's just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Now, with a wooden spoon or rubber spatula, gently fold the blueberries in by hand. Now scoop your cookie dough balls and place them on a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper about 2 to 3 inches apart. Set that aside and we are going to make our crumble topping. In a small bowl, combine your butter, flour, and sugar and mix it with your hands until coarse crumbs begin to form. Now flatten each of your cookie dough balls, I like to use my hands, and then top them with a very generous sprinkling of crumble topping. Bake your cookies at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown and the top of the cookie will spring back gently when you press on it. Finally, here is our Cannabis Blueberry Muffin Top Cookie. It is nice and golden brown on the edges, and we have these wonderful blueberries popping through with a great crunchy topping. Ooh, it smells nice. And it's nice and soft on the inside. You know, even though these are cookies, they are kind of like blueberry muffins, and I'm not telling you to eat them for breakfast, but they would be great as an anytime snack. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.